Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today I will be going to discuss with you how to write the paper in IT online exam. So before going to it, I want you to go to my YouTube channel and please subscribe my channels and give a like button and press the bell icon for the further notifications. So this is my site and please go through it. It will be helping you in futures. So let me start up with the guidance lectures how to write a paper on online IT. So this is the rule you should understand. Students should enter the name as per the exam hall ticket. Okay. So you should choose the correct stream. For example, if they are from science stream, you have to choose the science stream. Okay. Allowed to enter in the online exam so that you can enter, because if you choose the wrong stream and you want to enter in it, you will not be able to get in for the online exam. Students should read the question carefully and answer. Okay. Now, marking scheme for the science students. This is the marking scheme for the science student. First, you are having a fill in the blanks 10 marks, state true or false 10 marks, multiple choice answers 10 marks. Then question number 4 will be have multiple choice 2 correct answer, that is of 20 marks, which having 10 questions. Similarly, here multiple choice 3 correct answer will be having 2 questions for 6 mark, and then you will having the question number 6, that is a match the following for 4 marks and with the 4 questions. And similarly, you're having answer. Now you have this year they have changed, they have done the slight changes. What they have done, answer briefly. Now in previous year what it was, that they were asking 3 questions for 10 marks. Now here they have given a slight change. They have taken, they will be asking 8 questions, out of which you have to attend any 5, which will be of 10 marks. Next, the question number 8 will be on A part and B part. Okay, it will be on A part and B part. Now, yeah, write a program. The A part will be consist of HTML for science student, and the B part will be consist of JavaScript. Now, in this A part, there will be a 2 questions, out of which 1 question you have to attend. Okay, similarly on the B part also there will be a 2 question, out of which 1 question you have to attend. This is how the criteria they have done. Now, next, for the practical for all the sections, the practical is that the handwritten code will be 5 marks, the correct typing and the syntax will be 5 marks, execution of the program will be 3 marks, and the printout will be 2 marks. Total it will be consist of 15 marks, and the journal marks they carry out as 5 marks. The total will be 20, means 80 plus 20 is nothing but 100. Now next what we are having, this is the for the science section itself, this is the advanced web designing, 20 marks with option 25. Introduction to SEO 10 marks. Marks with option will be 12 marks. Advanced JavaScript will be 15 marks. Marks with option will be 20 marks. Emerging technology 10 marks. Marks with option will be 12 marks. Server side scripting 15 marks. Marks with option will be 15 marks. E-commerce, and this is how the scheming is. Means total you will be getting 80 marks, but 96 marks will be there with options. Okay. Similarly, for the commerce sections, the commerce section the same, but here the only all the terms are at the same things, but at the last you will be seeing on the 8th question, as you will not be having any other programming language, only the HTML. Therefore, there will be on the A part, also on the B part, all both the part there will be a HTML programming. One will be the hard and the other will be the little bit easy. Hope you understood. Same here, the weightage here, advanced web designing 20, 30, digital market. Now see here, for the commerce section, advanced web design 20, 30, digital marketing 15, 15, computerized accounting with GST 15 and 17, e-commerce and e-governance 10 and 12. This is the way they have given the weightage for the topic wise. So hope you understand it. Now, coming to the online IT exam, how it will be. This is how the site will be looking up. Here you will be having now, in the previous year, I have taken these pictures. So so that you can understand. This is the date. This will be the college index for where you have to appear the exam. Now student name. Now you have seen student name here. The name of as per the hall ticket. Stream, which stream you are. If you are from science, you have to click on science stream. Invitation signature is our signature, which we will be writing there, and then we will be logging it up. Now this is how the paper will be looking. This is the previous year I have shown you because you can understand how the paper should look. So I have made this thing. Now it will be, see here. Here also question 1 to question 8 is there. Here also question 1 to question. Don't click from this side, from the corner side. From the upper side you click on and then write the answers. Because if you click on question the side was, see here, this is the last, in the last button it will be giving give up. Means by mistake if you give up, you will be out of your exam. So please don't go with this section, go with this upper section. Okay, now here we are having a color indication. The color red will be indicating that you have not yet attended the question, color yellow that you have attended but not submitted it, and color green that you have submitted the question. And see here, they have given here, submit each and every question as you solve it. Do not wait to submit till last minute, because sometimes it's happened when the time gets finished and if you have not submitted, your paper will be blank itself. So please go through it. Now you will be seeing here the paper ID. This is the paper ID. Same for different student, not same but different for different students. Your student name will be there. One more thing, the current time is also there. One more thing, a button will be showing you, will be indicating that after 2.5 hour paper is done. So it will be indicating that is about the timing slot, how much time you are left with your paper. Now see here in this, maybe you will not be able to view, but a simple logic I have made it up. Now yeah, if you click on question 1, this is the fill in the blank. Here this is the box. Do you have seen this box? This box indicates you have to write the answer here, not here, here. If you press here also, it will not go because it will be asking you to write the answer here. So you have to write the answer in this box. Okay, next. You same here. Now here if you have seen true or false, this is a multiple choice question, but here it is using the radio button, but it is a single choice. If you click on true, it will be telling it's true. If you want to switch it on false, it will be going, it will not take in what you have done in papers, written papers that do all true and false, same in the indicating that either true or the false, that will not be indicated here. So be careful while ticking onto the questions. Now here in multiple choice, single question, multiple choice, the twice question and thrice, you will be getting a checkbox where you click on the checkbox about the answers, what you are knowing that. So you will be going. Similarly for multi-choice 2, multi-choice 3, that is the multiple choice singles, multiple choice twice, multiple choice thrice. This question you will be having a checkbox. So you will be doing this, but here also they have given as a slot, either you choose one, but it is not having radio button, so you can choose it, but carefully choose. If you choose a wrong answer, your marks will be 0. Next, see here, this is a program where you have to write the program. Similarly for the short answer, this is the only the way they will be giving you. I'm making you to understand how the paper pattern will be. Okay. Now see here, if you have seen, this is the RDMS stands for Relational Database Management. They have written. When they have written here, it has turned into red signal, turned into yellow. It's mean that the answer you have attempted. Now next, after that you will be seeing the submit button below here. Maybe you are not able to, but see this blue, it will showing you submit button. When you go click on the submit button, it will transform from yellow to green. Don't need to click on the submit button for every single answer submit, but it's good that practice to click on submit after every 3 to 5 minutes. It's important for you to do this thing, because if you forgot and that answer you have not given the submit, it will show you that the answer you have not attempted and they will not give you up the marks. So please go with all those stuffs. So hope you understand the description about the how the papers will be, how the online exam will be. Now, dear student, I have make an online paper for you. You already attempted some of the papers. Name of the student, whatever name you have given, just I have that. Division, I have given whatever division. A, what your roll number, I have given up. Now see here. Dash are the links. Now see here, you will be writing as backlinks. Now see, as it is asking, I have backlinks. Okay. DT. Okay. Then dash selector used when you want to change the style of a group of element within a page. I just make a mistake so that you can understand. The selector used when you want to change the style to a growth. What you have class here. Okay. Okay. Then the techniques, SEO technique that the search engine do not approve. Some home application I have written here has the dash phase consists of order and delivery. The dash which provides safe and secure. See, spelling mistake will be there, then you will be getting that also. Cloud Common Solution are dash, then the overall infrastructure setup for the IT. Now I just go with some of the wrong answers so that you understand it. User do not have to manage, install or upgrade SaaS software. Then web host and manage web server. Web host own and manage web server. True or false? I just put it there. Name the name address, specify the name of iframe. SEO stand for search engine false. Off-page SEO include provision of good content, good keyword or X. From method window display the setup output. For each work only on one array. True. PHP runs on client side. False. OLX quicker online execution are the example of B2B model. Web servers offers interpreted connectivity. Continuous statement is used to mark early exit from the law. I'm putting it this and then I'm showing you how the answer will. The dash type. Let's see what the answer will be doing up. Hana? It's for you. See, this is how I am putting up the answers. This is how I have. This is same way you will be having in your exam also. Now I'm going with the multiple choice 3. I have made this match the column in this such a way that you can answer, but in exam it will be in the form of match the column. So we go with up. Now see here, if you're having a coding section, I just write here. This is mobile while I have written here. Style I will be giving here. Now see, if I want, I have written as H1 for my styling, H1. Then your curly braces will be there. After that, you will be have to write this coding. It says what it asking you: font size, font color, and overline using CSS. So what you will be writing? This is how the you will be writing the calling. Okay. Then after that, the curly braces should be closed, style should be closed, and your head to should be closed. Then your body, then H1, and then you have to write mobile world. This is a simple coding we have to go with. H1 close, then you're having closing your body also. You're closing your HTML also. This is the way you will be doing. Similarly, here also the same thing, same coding you will be writing here. Here better you have. I just go and copy this stuff so that I can understood it. What I will be writing instead of title, I write division of 2 number now. Then I just go here. I close my head. Little mistake also your marks will be deducted. So please go after closing your head. What do you go with? Open the body. Okay. After the body, what we are writing here is JavaScript. That is, you will be giving us which scripting language you will be using. So what you will be writing? Script type equal to text slash JavaScript. Okay, inverted commas close, everything close. Now you can enter. Now what you will be doing, I have given you certain coding also, but still I want to show you something. Enter. Now you will be writing variable a equal to 10, comma, variable b equal to, comma, then variable. After doing this, you can write document.write. That is your how to, or otherwise you go with the logic, that is variable sum Okay, and then you can put some variable sum. Sorry for that. Division. Okay, then what you will be writing as division equal to, what you are having, A divided by B. Okay, and then what you will be writing as document dot write. Okay, and this is how you will be, this is how the coding will be working up. So hope you understand. That is document dot write in the bracket inverted commas div, and this is the coding. Some part of you, it will not be the exact, and then what you will be this and then close. Okay, and then you close your script. Okay, and then you close your body, and then close your HTML. This is how the coding you will be writing for science. Similarly for commerce students, the same thing, the same programming will be there. Don't worry about this. Now, what are the different SEO techniques? So, right, you will be writing different SEO technique is white hat and black hat, and then you will be writing all the stuff, comma, you can go with, and you can write it. This is how. So I have given you just an example of it. What are explain the concept of 5G is enhanced network of 4G. Okay, list of 5G is for much is a wireless network with greater speed than 4G and so on. Okay, explain the SEO. This is how the way you will be writing. This is out of 8 you can write any 5. Okay, and then I just go with the submit. It will be showing you something. Now view the score. If you view the score, I will be showing. Now see here. Here I have written in the answer. Don't worry about this. The fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Don't worry about this stuff. It will be marked with your external. The external will be giving the marks to it. So don't worry about this. So I have just made a little slight changes so that you can understand what is they will be doing up. So backlinks and all the answers are all the correct. See, they are correct. So they will be considering you marks because the external will be correcting your paper on fill in the blank and for programming and for your question and answers. So hope you understood it. Now if you have go with your, see here below, yeah, you will be getting that all the true false. See, this will be, that is the true or false MCQs. True or false will be considered with the computers, true or false. Okay, then the alternative ones will be considered for the by computer itself. Okay, see, and similarly MCQs 2 will be considered by the computer itself. That is MCQ 3, that is multiple choice correct action twice, and multiple choice correct action thrice will be considered by the computer itself and match the column with. But here if you have seen, they have not, because this will be considered with your examiners. That is your question number 7 and question number 8. Hope you understood all the part how the paper will be begins. That's why I have made this things so that you can understand this is how the paper will be. So please my dear student, go and subscribe the channels and go with the videos related to it. More videos will be uploaded regarding to your syllabus, so please go and subscribe my channel.